In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily rename a file in OneDrive. Whether you're organizing your digital workspace or just want to give your files more meaningful names, knowing how to rename your files in OneDrive can save you a lot of time and effort. First off, you'll need to head over to your OneDrive dashboard. This is where you'll be able to see all your files and folders stored in the cloud. Start by ensuring you're logged into your Microsoft account. Once you're in, your dashboard should display all the content available on your OneDrive. Next, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a list of options. Click on My Files. This will bring up a list of all your saved files and folders, offering a clear view of everything stored in your OneDrive account. It's a great way to manage your files, letting you quickly navigate through all your documents, photos, and more. Now, locate the file you wish to rename. This might be an important document, a photo, or any type of file you've uploaded. Once you've found it, take your cursor and right-click on the file name. When you right-click, a context menu will appear. This menu provides several actions you can perform on the file. Here, you want to focus on the option that says Rename. With the Rename option selected, you'll see the current file name highlighted and ready to be changed. Go ahead and type in the new name you want to assign to your file. Choose a name that makes the file easy to identify and remember. This step is crucial for organization, especially if you're dealing with a large volume of files. Consider using a name that reflects the content of the file clearly. After entering the new name, take a look at the screen where you'll find a button that says Update. Clicking this button will save the changes you've made to the file name. Once you press Update Resize, your file name will be changed immediately. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your OneDrive organized, helping you locate files more quickly in the future. And there you have it. This is all it takes to rename a file in OneDrive. With just a few clicks, you've learned to make navigating your files more intuitive and streamlined. By consistently managing and properly naming your files, you can turn OneDrive into a powerful tool for productivity and efficiency. Don't forget to explore other features in OneDrive that can further enhance your file management skills. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy organizing!